In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange LinkedIn profile sections. Now, we all know that having a well-organized LinkedIn profile not only reflects professionalism, but also helps potential employers and connections to navigate your career story more effectively. So, let's dive right into the process. First things first. Open your web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll need to do so. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Once you click that, enter your credentials and log into your account. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. This is your main dashboard, where all your updates and network activities are displayed. Now, from this main page, locate and click on your profile. Typically, you can find your profile picture or your name at the top, which will direct you to your profile page upon clicking. On your profile page, you have various sections like your summary, experience, education, and skills, amongst others. To start rearranging these sections, scroll down to find the specific section you wish to move. This might be your experience section, your education, or any other section you want to highlight differently. Once you locate the section, look for a small icon that resembles three dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. It's usually positioned towards the right-hand side of each section. Click on these three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, among other options, you'll see one that says Reorder. Go ahead and click on this option. Clicking Reorder makes that section active for rearranging, allowing you to drag it up or down the page. By doing this, you can place that section wherever you feel it best represents your professional narrative. Feel free to drag and move the section to a new location that better suits your personal brand and goals. Once you've repositioned the section to your desired spot, make sure to click the Save or Done button if prompted, so all your changes are confirmed and updated on your public profile. And that's it. You've successfully rearranged the sections on your LinkedIn profile. It's a simple yet powerful way to make sure your profile tells the story you want it to tell. Remember, you can always come back and adjust the order anytime as your career progresses or as you pivot in new directions. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insightful tips on optimizing your online presence.